মানে বল করতে লাইটটা বন্ধ করছি okay my dear student of class 6 I am going to discuss about the sentence your language from your language chapter number 1 open your book page number 5 see just listen to me and look at the blackboard the sentence okay the chapter 1 is about sentence so what is sentence a sentence is a group of words which express a meaningful thought okay and it has a subject and a predicate this much okay you have to remember it a sentence is a group of words which express a meaningful sense that is called a sentence and it has a subject and a predicate clear I am giving you some example of sentence example number A okay the sun rises in the east the sun rises in the east just look at example number 2 I love to read these books I love to read these books okay now observe this here the sun I these are called subject okay and rises in the east this is called predicate okay love to read these books is predicate clear so you have a question in your mind what is subject and what is predicate subject is a word or group of words about which the sentence is written okay and what is predicate predicate is the group of word or part of a sentence which tells more about the subject okay the best thing is to know or the best thing is to detect the predicate is except subject the other part of the sentence is called predicate clear here okay subject you know and predicate you know now move to okay and one thing you remember that a subject may come in the beginning or at the middle or at the end of the sentence okay subject may come in the beginning middle and at the end of the sentence clear these things you have to remember it okay these things you must be remember in the beginning of the okay these things you have to remember it okay a subject may come in the beginning in the middle at the end of the sentence okay now move to next kinds of object okay kinds of object there are two kinds of object there are two kinds of object there are two kinds of object direct object and indirect object here there are two kinds of objects there are two kinds of object direct object and indirect object okay Direct object is the thing that a person receives. What is direct object? Direct object is the thing which a person receives, or that a person receives. And indirect object is the person receives that thing. I will make you clear one by one. So, look at the first example. Mother, get me 10 rupees. 10 rupees. Before leaving for what? Before leaving for what? Okay. Second sentence is Anil brought his mother. Anil brought his mother. Anil brought his mother a sari. Okay. Here Anil brought his mother a sari. Here mother is subject. Here me is object. 10 rupees is another object. Okay. Here Anil brought his mother. This is an object. A sari is another object. Okay. Here mother gives what? I have told you that what is direct object? Direct object is the person that the direct object is the thing that the person receive. That a person or that the person receive. That means things. What is things in this sentence? Here 10 rupees. Here a sari. So these are direct object. These are direct object. Okay. These are the things that a person receives. Clear? And here me, his mother, these are indirect object. Okay? The definition of indirect object is that indirect object is the person receives that thing. Receives that, it is the person that the things was received. Okay? It is the person, here in the second sentence, that the thing was received. Okay? So, direct object you know, indirect object you know. Okay? Now let's revise. You have a homework, so do it yourself, this exercise, and in our next class we will discuss it vividly. So, page number 7. Page number 7. Let's revise. A, B, C, D, E is your task. Okay? Do it in your home. If you have any problem with the question or about the content of this chapter, then ask me or message us or comment us in our channel. Okay, my dear student, subscribe our channel for greater reach. Okay, till then, goodbye, and give a thumbs up, and never forget to give a thumbs up to our channel. Okay, goodbye.